This is Foltyn. He has gone from 0 to 30,000 subscribers in 5 months, which I know might not sound that amazing compared to other Roblox Bed Wars YouTubers I've covered on this channel, like MiniBloxia, Spec, and Itamati, but he has some of the most potential out of all of them in my opinion. And in this video, I will show you why I think that. But first, the best part about this is that it was all planned. You see, up until a few months ago, Foltyn was gaining less than 1,000 subscribers a month, but in October, this happened. Foltyn with his infamous Roblox profile picture suddenly blew up. What makes it more interesting is the reasons he did, which I will explain very soon. Let's begin by taking a look at his analytics. He's gaining an average of 550 subscribers a day and is on track to hit 100,000 subscribers in less than 6 months. He also may be making $1,000 a week or $4,000 a month. And now, first, I asked you what's the first thing everybody sees when they're looking for a YouTube video. The answer you got is probably correct. It's the thumbnail. The thumbnail is one of the biggest factors for growing on YouTube, and Foltyn has mastered his. His thumbnails consist on very nicely rendered out Roblox GFX and screenshots from in the game for the background. But he does something with the background. What is it, you may ask? He blurs them out. This creates a field of depth, which also makes you focus more on the action part of it. And the last thing about it is the speed lines. The speed lines just help create an even better field of depth, so it makes it almost impossible to look anywhere else on the thumbnail but the action, which makes you more interested faster. And the title isn't ever too complicated, so it's very easy to read. And it always includes the words Roblox and Bed Wars, so it gives the YouTube algorithm metadata to show it to the right people and more people, which is very important. And now, the factor that you cannot grow on YouTube without, and that is holding a viewer's attention after they click. Mr. Beast is one of the most popular YouTubers, and he puts so much emphasis into this because it's so important. And now, Foltyn has pretty much mastered it. Just look at this.
Alright boys, so here's what I'm basically gonna do. As you can see, I have a wheel of names of every kit in the game, even the no kit. So I'm gonna spin this wheel, and whatever kit it lands on, I'm gonna have to win a game with that kit. But here's the twist. If I don't end up winning that game, I'm gonna have to give away a free kit to someone random in my lobby. So hopefully this doesn't break my bank account. But anyways, enough of the talking, let's get right into the video.
It wasn't the shortest intro ever, but did you feel bored watching it? The answer is probably no. That's because of these main factors. Firstly, the change of screen constantly. In the first 22 seconds of that video, there were more than 9 different screen changes, subtitles for almost every word he said, music, and a few different sound effects. This makes it so your attention with the video does not go down in the first 30 seconds. The screen changes and subtitles get your eyes involved, and the music and sound effects get your ears involved. And when you don't click off, his retention goes like this, which will push out his video insanely, which is exactly what happened to that video. And also he cuts out all the fluff or uninteresting parts in his videos, so no part is boring. In his description, look at what he says. That tells YouTube what the video is about and gives off metadata so it promotes it to more people and the right people.
And I'll be telling main reasons why Foltyn's such an amazing YouTuber. His kindness. His kindness is amazing. He always talks to his subscribers and always makes a chance to message him. He does lots of giveaways and lots of streams and mostly answers lots of the viewers' answers and has a great time